Hey Plant Pals, it's Mike the Cat Gardener, and today's video is an update on what we're growing in these mason jars that have the cover here. This is the orange spice jalapeno. It's doing great. No flowers so far. Well, there are little buds forming where the flowers will be, so that's exciting. It's very tall. It's looking great. Squirrel's doing a good job guarding it. Being out in my garden eating my tomatoes. He's still, he has a problem. He's sleeping it off. But look at the size of these peppers already. This is the lemon spice pepper. And the lemon spice seems to grow faster than the orange spice. I don't know why, but, you know, just the way it goes. And there's more to come. So, again, we're just growing it in a mason jar. And in case somebody wants to see the roots, I'll show that. Get you down here. See if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. I'm going to pause it. And here's how the jar looks. There's the roots. They look great. And see, they're sitting down in the liquid. I refilled this about maybe a week or so ago. It was up to here. It drinks it down, and then I'll refill it back up to here. And I'll never go beyond this blue line here. That's why I put it there, because there are things called air roots on your plant, and your plant will drown. It'll kill the plant if they get wet. So I have these lines here to let me know where to go. And every once in a while, I will completely remove if the water starts getting too dark, I will completely remove the fluid, kind of wash it out, give the roots a little gentle spray of weak hydrogen peroxide. That makes them snap back and happy. I won't spray them up top here because that will make them unhappy. And then I'll give them a quick little rinse in water and put everything back. And so that's how it looks. And then all I do is I just take this guy, lift him up. I'm going to do it one-handed because I don't want to drop anything. And I'll put him back in his little home. And that's how this guy looks here. But he's down here. And, well, I'll pause it. I'll show the roots on this one too. Here is the orange spice. Again, it's sitting in its fluid. Nice white roots. They're happy. I'm happy. All right, I'll put everything back together, which is just sliding it in its little sleeve, and that's it. It's just all the sleeve does is just blocks the light. That's it. The mason jar doesn't do anything magical. The grow medium doesn't do anything magical. It's all about the plant food solution, something to suspend it in, and just letting the plant do what the plant naturally does. And again, the only electricity I'm using is the grow lights here. They're nothing fancy. Got them for like $15 on Amazon. And the plant loves it. And I love it because it gives me lots of delicious peppers. And I can't wait until the orange spice, because that's my favorite. The lemon spice is for my wife. That's her favorite. And the orange spice is my favorite. And so I'm just waiting, and when it happens, I will show everyone. All right. I did remember after I recorded about the peppers in the jar. I do have two quick tips for it. Is I rotate them once in a while so that the light will hit different areas of the leaves. That makes the plant happy. That's just a very simple, quick tip. It's nothing special. And because I'm inside, there are no pollinators. And I know that some people just, use a electric toothbrush, or you can give the plant a little jiggle, wiggle, and it makes them happy. But I got this off Amazon, super cheap. It was like $10. It's just a little buzzing bee, and you go up in here and give them a little tickle. You can tickle the plant. And that pretty much ensures that you're going to get peppers. And for $10, why not? Like I said, you know, you can, if you want to, you can get a toothbrush and gently do the same thing. But I had an electric toothbrush that was too strong, and it like would knock all the flowers off every time I tried it. And I've done the little jiggle method, which works fine. But like I said, for $10, why not? All right, that was just a quick tip. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.